Hello, today we will guide you through how to create a form in Confluence. We'll begin from your Confluence overview page. From here, look to the left-hand navigation panel and click on Apps. This is where you can access tools and add-ons that extend what Confluence can do. Once the Apps section opens, select Explore Apps to open the Marketplace area where available integrations and extensions are listed. In the search field, type Form. This will help narrow the results so you can quickly find the form building option you need. From the search results, click on Forms for Confluence, also labeled Surveys and Request Workflows. This app is designed to help you create forms directly within your Confluence environment. Next, click. Try it free, and then follow the on-screen procedure to install or enable the app. The exact prompts may vary slightly depending on your Confluence setup or permissions, so just continue through the guided installation steps until the app is ready to use. Once that's complete, return to the left navigation and click on Forms for Confluence. This will open the app's main area. From there, select Create New Form to start building your form. You'll then choose a form option from the available selections. Click on the form and scroll down if needed to review the setup area. When you're ready to move forward, click Continue. Now you'll be asked to enter the key details for your form. Fill in the form name, which should clearly identify the purpose of the form. Add a description to give users more context about what the form is for or how it should be used. Then choose the appropriate space where the form will live, followed by the parent page if the form should be created under a specific page in that space. You'll also need to enter the page title, which is the title that will appear for the form page in Confluence. Take a moment here to review everything carefully before moving on. Clear naming and accurate placement can make the form much easier for others to find and use later. Once you've completed those fields, click Proceed and continue following the on-screen instructions to finalize the setup. Depending on your configuration, you may see additional options or confirmation prompts before the form is fully created. That's it. You've now gone through the process of creating a form in Confluence, from locating the app to setting up the form details and moving through the final creation steps.